Custom values or merge fields are values you can put into a template that will auto-populate when generating communication with your contacts. They're a great way to save time and maximize your system efficiency by automating information so you can send out customized communication quickly to a group of contacts. For example, an email template could say, "Hey, blank," with the custom value for the contact first name, and it would auto-populate the name of the contact. So John would receive an email that says, "Hey, John," and Sarah would receive an email that says, "Hey, Sarah." There's some common examples of custom values that are by default built into your system, such as full name, first name, last name, email, phone number, and company. You can also create your own custom values under the Settings section of your system. By navigating to Settings and Custom Values, you can view specific custom values or predefined values that you have set up for your system. You can delete or edit existing ones, and you can click the plus icon here to add a new one. When you create your own custom values specifically for your business or system, these can be useful to automate and preset defined values such as a custom send email or a custom support email. Now that you know where to create your customized custom values, I'm going to show you how to utilize these and the default custom values in your system and how they are practical and relevant. In this example, I'm going to navigate to the trigger section of the system, and I've already created a trigger that's going to send an email to a contact based on a particular tag. But let's say this email, I don't want it to just say, "Hey there" or "Hello there." I want it to actually include their name. I can include the custom value for the first name. Like I previously mentioned, this would be where it would populate "Hey John" or "Hey Sarah," and the system is smart enough to pull in the contact's first name. Up here in the To field, you can also see I've added the contact email custom value, and the system will automatically pull their email in to send this email. By customizing the email message, I can click this Custom Values menu and I can view all the different options that are within the system, including the default ones that are preset and the custom values that I have created myself under this bottom tab here, Custom Values. These are going to be all the ones that I have personally created as shown under the Settings section of the system. So back to the email, you can see here it says, "Hey, contact first name. Check out these awesome custom values," just for example. And then I could include another custom value. Maybe I want to include the name of a calendar that they've scheduled in, or I want to include their phone number. I could include something like this and pull in their phone number. To get their email address to be up here, all I did was go to the custom values, contact, email, and then I cut it out of the message body and pasted it here into the To field. When using a trigger or a campaign or anything else, don't forget to review all of your changes and then save them to complete this action.